Having shrunk to the size of tiny amphibians, the CyberSquad is having a difficult journey to the vernal pond. And now Francis, their new friend, is missing.
Francis! Where are you?
Excuse me? Hi, have you seen Francis? She's yay big. She has a orange spot on her back. Where can she be?
Maybe we should split up.
Do you think that's a good idea? I mean, we almost got crushed by a humongous frog and swirled around in a giant puddle.
I think it's our only choice, Inez. You and I can look for Francis, while Didge and Jackie stay with the migration so Didget can finish his film.
Okay, I'm in. Let's do it. Francis! When you're the size of an amphibian, everything seems huge.
You're right. Raindrops are like waterfalls.
Old logs are like tunnels.
Mushrooms look like spaceships.
And a gust of wind feels like a hurricane. Francis!
I can't believe it. We almost got crushed by a pine cone?
Look out!
Ah! Run!
Never seen so many amphibians in one place.
Wonder how many there are.
Good question, Didge, but there are way too many to count.
I know, they're everywhere.
Hey, we can estimate how many there are. There's a bunch. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this bunch. So how many bunches do you think there are?
Checking for bunches. Looks like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bunches.
10 bunches of 5 makes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 amphibians.
Looks like more than 50 amphibians on this migration. Nothing, not the rain, not even the wind can stop them from getting to the vernal pond.
Nothing except those houses up ahead. Amphibiana Estates. I don't see them on my map. Well, whoever built them forgot that amphibians live here too. The houses are blocking their path.
Yikes, they're heading right for that road.
Wait! Don't cross!
How does an amphibian safely cross the road? And where's Francis? And what unexpected problems await the CyberSquad? Discover the answers on the next episode of The Big Night.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.